Welcome to Smokey CNC Woodworks. I'm Brian, and today we're going to do something. I haven't really done anything like this before, but I'm going to do a Maltese Cross. And for those of you who don't know what the Maltese Cross is, it's the fire department emblem. You know, it's just that little, the actual Maltese Cross, and then it has fire and rescue and different tools of their trade on there. So I'm not making this one real big. My idea behind it is I'm going to make it kind of small and make it so it's a door hanger. I'm not a fireman, but I do have some vested interest. My older brother's a fire chief in a small town northeast of me, and I'm very good friends with the fire chief that's here. So I'm sure one of them will end up with this, and whether it ends up on their door, I have no idea. It may be a paperweight. So anyway, we're going to give it a shot, and we'll just see how it goes. Well, that was it. As you guys can see, I cannot pick it up. I mean, I just polyurethaned it. I mean, I'm literally just got done with it. So I'm just finishing up this video, and I'll just have to pull it up here so y'all can see it. I like to polyurethane the cedar just because it brings out all the color in the wood. Looks really good. Some of you that are going to be more more critical of my work probably noticed that on the edges, I really wasn't intending to have to sand that down. I was actually going to leave a little lip out there on the edge, and I didn't set me an offset when I did the outline cut, and so it kind of got into a little deeper than I meant for it to. But by sanding it down, it still came out with a really cool look, and I'm really pretty happy with it. You know, sometimes you have happy mistakes. This just could be one of them. And what I'm talking about is this little edge right here. Whenever I was doing this outer edge, you saw me sanding those. That was actually supposed to be a lip that came up and was actually just supposed to be about 1/8 of an inch thick. And like I said, I just didn't, when I programmed it, I didn't put the offset in and just made it step out just a little further. And in the future ones, I might not. I don't know. I really kind of like the way this looks with it all sanded down like that, and it just kind of makes it slope down. I think it looks pretty cool. So, as y'all saw, my last video was a programming video. Unfortunately, I'm going to continue to do some of them. I mean, I don't know how many more of them I'm going to do, but I've got a few other things I got to run by because I get lots of questions. And so I've got to do some basic stuff just so to clear things up for some people. And I got quite a few views out of it. And I mean, I appreciate you people watching it, and I understand when you don't, because I understand that stuff is boring. So anyway, that's it for this time, guys. If you hadn't done so yet, please subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.